Hi, and let's see how to compress file using your file manager. And in this case, we're going to use OnCommander Pro file manager that you can download here at oncommander.com for Windows, Mac, and Linux. And let's go through the tutorial. So part of the tutorial is provide you with some files to compress. So basically what you need to do is to select the files that you need to compress. So we're going to select two files and let's say one directory. Now we go to File, Compress, Zip, and here we go. We can enter the name like let's put it this way and put it like 14 compress.zip in this case, but you can also choose other format if you prefer. And let's click OK. And now if I go there, you see we have a 14 compress.zip. If I open it by double clicking on it, then you see that it contains the files. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumb up. If you have some questions, put them in the comments, and see you on the next video. Bye.